With one of its newest entities, the Global Humanities Institute, Montgomery College joins Montgomery County in the county's fast-growing Sister Cities program that currently involves 3 cities, 3 countries, and 2 continents.
Ever since we started establishing the Sister Cities program about 3 years ago, Montgomery College has been involved in each one of them.
We worked with Sister Cities. Montgomery County Executive has a priority for forming partnerships abroad.
With a grant from the National Endowment given to 5 community colleges across the nation, Montgomery College leads that group with its global partnerships with China and El Salvador.
Global Humanities Institutes are a fairly new phenomenon nationwide for everybody, but especially for community colleges.
Montgomery College's relationship with Xi'an University of Arts and Sciences is an integral part of our Sister City partnership with Xi'an. So we are very pleased to see this arts exhibition.
The global partnerships that Montgomery College has developed serves many purposes, including helping the development of Morrison, El Salvador.
The needs of the 2 countries from our partnerships are very, very different, though. Obviously, China is very affluent these days, and El Salvador is developing, very, very committed to developing, and we can help them with that.
Efectivamente, en el año de 2011, en el marco de buscar el desarrollo sostenible de Morazán, gestionamos este hermanamiento.
We started the Sister Cities relationship in 2011 at a time when the region of Morazán was beginning its development.
With an already robust international student population and student programs, the purpose of the college's Global Humanities Institute is to train faculty to internationalizing their courses so that they can better educate students for the global societies, university, and workplace.
We are having an impact on the curriculum, creating new courses, modifying new courses, training faculty, and bringing the world into the classroom in a way that it hasn't been there before. We're forming partnerships abroad so that we can have faculty and student exchanges. We are really globalizing what's happening at Montgomery College.
We're also learning, grammar, regular stuff, but as far as the money topic, it just teaches us, that outside, in the world, that money is important, and that, we need to manage it correctly. That if you're not necessarily rich people are not happy because they have a lot of money, it teaches that, happiness is within you. That's what I'm learning from this class.
Because we know that money, as I said, revolves around everything around us. So basically, we would see how different people use their money, and as we move on in our future, we would know how basically the money will revolve around us.
I'm actually from El Salvador myself, and I've seen some of the pictures here, and I love it because I haven't been to El Salvador since 1998, and what this is doing for me is kind of making me want to go. I actually my family comes from a poor city, about an hour from the capital, and I always thought of El Salvador as a poor country, and then we come out here and there's like a university sending pictures of very talented people, and I'm like, oh wow, that exists over there, and now I'm like, I want to go now. I want to actually go to the city and maybe visit the university. I have family over there, and it's just that I was raised here, born over there, and now the interest level is so high now. I didn't realize that there is art in that country, where I always thought was just a poor country. It's kind of changed the way which is a chance to say, changing the way I view my own country. So I just love this exhibit. It's really awesome.
At its fast-growing pace, the Montgomery College Global Humanities Institute will be a model program that can be replicated globally as well as nationally. For MC Today, I'm Stan Jones.